In today's video, I'll show you how to get the big clock on your iPhone lock screen with iOS 26. Make the lock screen clock bigger and easier to read. Let's get started. First, make sure your iPhone is updated to iOS 26. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down, and go to Wallpaper. Now, choose the lock screen you want to edit and tap Customize. Tap on the clock area to open the font and language options. Set supported font style. Tap the globe icon at the top left of the font picker. Choose Arabic, Western, 12-hour, from the list. This is currently the only format that supports the big clock style. Then, scroll through and select the default font, the only one that works with the larger clock. Drag the font layout from the bottom right corner of the font widget. Finally, tap Done to save your changes. And that's it. You now have the big clock on your iPhone lock screen. Are you having trouble? Then post your question in the comment box. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the free tech guide for more new tips and tricks.